The video tutorial series. Today we're going to showcase working with the DeferPanic API by creating a Docker-like tool to run unikernels locally. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and click on these examples. We're logged in here. We're going to click on the static HTML. It's probably the easiest example. Cut and paste that. We'll call it HTML2. I already have a project called HTML. Go figure. Choose the language as HTML. Source, we'll go ahead and paste in the GitHub repository. And we're going to just go ahead and click add. It'll go ahead and start building our unikernel. And when we're looking at the page, you can see the build status as success, which means it's good to go, basically. We can go ahead and launch it. We'll give it 32 megs of RAM. Looks like it's going to put it into this network that we already have running, which we kind of auto-create. And as you can see, it goes ahead and assigns it a CNAME, and it's booting right now. Alright, so it's already booted, which is great. And you can see, since it's just a static HTML page, the disk that we have is about 1 meg. Memory, of course, is 32. We'll click into this, and so for our purposes, we're going to download this project locally because we want to run it locally. To do so, we're going to go ahead and pause the instance. So let's go ahead and pause it. And the reason we're going to pause it is we want to download the volumes without actually mutating them. We do have live support for volumes coming up here shortly, but for now, we'll just go ahead and pause it. So let's go back over to our terminal. I've installed DeferPanic, which you can get at github/deferpanic/dpcli. And if you want, real quick, we can kind of look at our projects, dpcli projects list. You can kind of see that our HTML2 is down here. It shows that it built successfully. And then we can go ahead and do dpcli instances list. And you can see I have a couple different instances running. This last one, of course, the Catherine, South Carolina. That is the one that we just added. And you can see that it's not running. It's kind of paused. So that's great, right? All right, so the other thing is we put in github.com /deferpanic/Virgo. Virgo, of course, takes its name from the local cluster. Little play on words there, but yeah. So Virgo is simply a little OSX unikernel runner that I whipped up in about a day to kind of showcase what we're doing. So let's go ahead and look at that. If we go ahead and look at it, there's a couple quick commands. We can pull a project, we can run a project, we can kill it, or we can kind of list the running projects that we have available. All right, so this is very similar to Docker's API, if you're familiar with that. A quick word on running unikernels locally. I don't think that it's really something that most people should be in the habit of doing. To me, unikernels and containers are something that really belong in production, especially with unikernels where you can run this code locally perfectly fine. Anybody who's saying that you need full-on orchestration or service discovery or anything in that in a development environment is probably selling you a load of bullshit. And production environments are completely different. Anyways, end rant, right? So let's go ahead and clear the screen. So we're going to do Virgo pull HTML2. So HTML2 was the project name, of course. Before we do this, I just wanted to show you, we do have a DPRC. All you have to do is stick your token in that, and then you can seamlessly communicate. So we're going to pull it, Virgo pull HTML2. And what it's going to do is it's first going to grab the project manifest. And the manifest is this file. It's just a little JSON file that you can request for any project. And it basically says, this is the kernel image, these are the set of volumes that you need to download, and all this sort of stuff. And so as you can see, I don't exactly know why, but we have 3 volumes here, and we have our project, which is 30 megs or something like that. It's basically Nginx since it's static HTML. All right, so we've downloaded it, right? Well, let's go ahead and let's run it. After we've pulled the project, we can do run. It's going to prompt for sudo because we're doing a couple things that are not allowed for regular users. So we type in our password, and it says it's up and running. It says that we did some tap and all this other stuff. We can go back to our project and we can hit it up, and there's our hello world static web page for the unikernel project that we ran. We have done some little bit of magic with taps. I'm running El Capitan on this laptop, and I'm pretty sure that right now this project only supports El Capitan. I could be wrong, but we basically need to install tuntap, qemu, and one other dependency. Anyways, we have some dependencies checked, and it'll tell you if you need to install something or not. But that should run it, and as you would expect, you can do a PS, pretty basic, right? Just list that it's running, and then we can do a kill HTML2, and back to PS. It's not running anymore. All right, so that was the demo. Looking forward to what else you can kind of create with the DeferPanic API. Catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.